एंड मूविंग ऑन, आपको ले चलते हैं लवासा विमेंस ड्राइव पर। द टाइम्स इंडिया ग्रुप के एसोसिएशन के साथ मुंबई के पास लवासा में हुआ ये ग्रैंड इवेंट, जहां इमरान हाशमी पहुंचे एज अ गेस्ट। और अब आपको दिखाते हैं इस इवेंट के हाईलाइट्स।
All our women drivers, get ready for some fun, क्योंकि एक बार फिर लौट आया है Lavasa Women's Drive in association with the Times Group, and this time they are supporting the cause related to cancer. Lavasa Women's Drive के इस इवेंट को सपोर्ट करने पहुंचे बॉलीवुड के कई चेहरे, इमरान हाशमी, मुग्धा गोडसे, चंकी पांडे, मिस वर्ल्ड रनर अप पार्वती ओमणकुट्टन, and a few television celebs. Let's hear what these celebrities have to say about this event.
I think my association being a woman and it's a women's drive, that's the only association, and I'm here to support the cause of the cervical cancer.
Well, it's for cancer awareness, and I think I wanted to be associated with this. When someone called me up from Times Group, I wanted to be associated to this cause instantly, and just flagging off the event in the morning, coming and seeing just the energy here and all these women here. It's just great that they've taken it upon themselves to spread awareness through this very unconventional, I think still very effective way.
Well, I think there should be a lot of awareness for cervical cancer. मैंने खुद अपनी बेटी को 13 साल की है, लेकिन our doctors advised her she should take the HP1. There's a vaccine होता है cervical cancer के लिए, और हमने उन्हें दे दिया है वो. So I think all mothers should give their children, their young daughters that the vaccine. And there should be a lot of awareness, checkups and other things, yes.
इतना ही नहीं, Lavasa Women's Drive को flag off भी किया इन सभी celebs ने, and surely the women took on the road with full rage. वैसे यहाँ आए इमरान हाशमी भले ही वुमेन्स ड्राइव को सपोर्ट करने आए थे, but avoiding the roads, he chose a chopper to land here. Ask him why, and the busy actor says.
Well, actually, I would love it अगर मैं गाड़ी से आता है यहाँ पे, लेकिन actually was shooting, so I had to get here fast. But I would love to drive down with any one of these women in the car and come down to the event and participate in it and go back.
Well, Imran, we are sure that you would have loved to do that. No wonder आप हैं एक lady charmer. तो जहाँ इमरान को थी जल्दी, वहीं Chunky seemed more than happy to spend his Sunday here, isn't it?
Sunday सुबह 7 बजे अगर मैं उठ के आया हूँ तो मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा होगा. इतनी सारी लड़कियां इधर. चंकी पांडे is always very happy seeing so many girls. लेकिन गाड़ियां चला रही है. I think women make very good drivers.
चलिए, चंकी तो हैं full on excited to be a part of this Lavasa Women's Drive, and he also feels women make good drivers. But what about Imran? Does he feel the same?
I think they make good drivers. I'm not really researched the topic much, but I think all the women I know drive the car very well.
तो कुछ इस तरह मस्ती, एंथुजियाज्म और बी टाउन के ग्लैमर से कंप्लीट हुआ Lavasa Women's Drive in association with the Times Group. ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, Zoom, Mumbai.